Hi guys, welcome back to the Vicky's Vlog and Hi guys, welcome back to Vicky's Vlog. Today I'm going to share a new thing to you, you people. With all your blessings and what is that? All your blessings and support. With all your blessings and support, I got a new mobile. Counter korra pannada.
எப்போ வாங்குன
2 days back. So now we are going to put the scratch card on this mobile. New mobile. Okay, we got a new mobile.
அந்த மாடல் சொல்லு.
இது எப்படி சொல்றது? Note 5 Pro, Redmi Note 5 Pro, Note 5 Pro.
அது வந்து எவ்வளவு வருஷம் ஆச்சு தெரியுமா?
Okay, sorry guys, I just cheated you. Sorry for the disturbance. And I just got this mobile 3 years back, and I just got this mobile for 15,000 3 years back, but I have spent 20,000 for scratch card.
20,000 எப்படி ரெடி பண்ண டக்குன்னு?
EMI. Oh, 20,000. I'll tell the story. Got a PF from my office. Because of putting scratch card only, I've taken for that. And I can't able to, how to say, I can't able to use that money more. So that's why I just got from the state gada in advance 15,000. So we are going to put scratch card, and now we are in Blu-ray accessories shop. It's a good shop. It's near, what is that address? I can see the address. Arcade Road, Vadapalli. Arcade Road, Vadapalli. It's a good shop and so many things here. Not only scratch card and all the things are here. See the pouches and all.
பேக்ரவுண்ட் நல்லா இருக்குன்னு அத வெச்ச.
Shall we go to put scratch card? Of course. It's a Redmi Note 5 Pro, bro. Actually, I'm using mobile for 3 years.
ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ற இந்த ஒரே போனை நீ 3 வருஷமா யூஸ் பண்ற.
Audience, can you please give the comment? Give comment how many years you guys are using mobile. 3 years I am using mobile. It's a big thing, right? Man behind the camera is changing mobile every month. He is speaking too much.
நாங்கள பார்த்தா தாண்டா காமெடியா இருப்பேன்.
Okay, take the video. He's going to put scratch card now. Bro, not this scratch card, bro. Definitely I'm fed up with the scratch card for the past 3 months, bro. Simple. How much this is? 150. 150 100 rupees la irka. Half temper, bro, because I'm putting this silicone cover. It's getting bubbly. See, bubbles will come. So if I put that 60 and all, the bubbles will come. I'm putting silicone cover. So I like this cover so much, but
காசு இல்லன்னு சிலிகான் கவர் வாங்கி வச்சிட்டு இருக்கு.
ஹேர்ஸ்டைல பார்த்தாவே தெரியவனா இவட்ட கேட்கலாமா வேணாமா?
உன்ன பெரிய ஆளு நினைச்சேன்டா, கட்சில 100 ரூபாய்க்கு ஸ்கிராட்ச் கார்டு.
Hey, even Periyal also put 100 rupees scratch card because I'm riding bike every day. Okay, wow. Every second this scratch is maintained. I'll tell you, man. See, today what the date? Today 4/3/2021. Okay, again I'll come 5/3/2021 I'll come.
நாளைக்குன்னு சிம்பிளா சொல்ல மாட்டேன்.
Okay, duration problem. But everyone is asking when I remove the scratch card before scratch card, right? Is this a new mobile? Like that they asking. I get to know. Somewhat, hey, I got a new mobile. I like that. I just making fun of it. But I only know that how many times I'm changing the scratch card. It's very backside also we can put the scratch, scratch card. I think people will know that. See this scratch card backside. So backside also we can put. That will be like Silandi Valai. Silandi means what in English la? Spider-Man net. So this is Krishna ila kerosene. So this is aloe fresh hand sanitizer. Active ingredient ethyl alcohol 70%.
பேரை படிக்க மாட்டல, பின்னாடியே இருக்காது என்ன?
Sorry, it's hand sanitizer. Not a mobile cleaner. This is the mobile cleaner. I think it's a white petrol. So before that we'll just show this shop. Just slowly machan. So many things, so many accessories are here. See, so many pouches are there, especially for girls. See, so my best is, and one more thing, so many things are Joker is there. Bob Marley, en thalaiva. My thalaiva means English head. My header is there. Low budget mobiles also there. So headsets are there. சாப்பிட்டீங்களாண்ணா? சாரி, நான் கண்டென்ட் தாண்டி போயிட்டேண்ணா, சாரி. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ஹெட்செட்ஸ் ஆர் ஹியர். விச் இஸ் த மோஸ்ட் சீப் அண்ட் பெஸ்ட் ஹெட்செட்னா ஹியர்.
இது காஸ்ட்லினே கேட்க மாட்டேல்ல,
இவனை கேர்ஃபுல்லா தான் ஹேண்டில் பண்ணனும்.
விச் இஸ் த காஸ்ட்லி ஹெட்செட்னா? He is always costly na. Even Jetty also we buy 1,200 like that. Sometimes we won't put the Jetty. That is a different matter. This one, how much na this? 1,050. Yeah, 1,050 also we can get headset. So headsets are there, and power bank. What is this? And finally the time came arrive. We'll try to put the scratch card. So this is our scratch card. Not so expensive. Come show. Need to the phone. Inga kaatra phone. Just cleaning the mobile first. So when you put scratch card, we need to clean the mobile first because so many germs are there. Coronavirus also happening. So first we have to clean the mobile. Clean now. So it's just cleaning the mobile. What is this now actually? Inside this IPA glass cleaning solid. They will keep like this. Okay, this lotion. College na. Okay now. So now it's time to come show close. For the 1,500th time, we are putting scratch card now. So it's very interesting, and while putting scratch card. Actually, it is not a easy job, you know. While putting a scratch card is, you should be so cautious when you are putting scratch card because the bubble will come. So many distractions are there. I'm also distraction for him now, but he is not hearing my voice and keeping but yeah, bubbles, big bubble come. Now if I can put a silicone cover na, the bubble won't come, right? It is also a major issue now for me. So finally it is done, and one small bubble is there. Can you please close it then? No? See the technique. If put the scratch card, the bubble is coming means you'll use some techniques for that. Unwanted waste paper for removing the bubble. See that? You got it? This is not an easy job much, huh? Especially it's very very tough. So everyone face the same problem here. Still it's not going. So it's going well, and finally we have done the scratch card production. Then what else? Come, I'll show the shop. So many cases are here. So whatever brand you want, whatever the cases you want, you just come and buy here. And one thing you have said, no, that what is that? AUG KGF. UAG radu. It's a first copy. So when you put this, it's a good protection. Solra darbis talaya. This is called UAG, another Urban Armor Gear Premium Protection. This is the most safest case for mobile. I'm going to explain the best thing in this shop ever. Come on bro, Jiva mari irking bro paakathu. Super bro. What is this bro? Idu per enna? Pop socket. Okay, first time I'm hearing this. Pop socket. What is the use of this pop socket? So where we can fix this in mobile?
எங்க வேணா ஒட்டிக்கோ, முதுகுல கூட ஒட்டிக்கோ.
Muduliya. Oh, okay. So pop sockets. Now we are going to see pop sockets. This is called pop sockets, and so many varieties are here. Come and show, man. You guys can see. For girls and boys, hey, Tala Ajit also there. So whoever interested to buy pop sockets, new variety, so you can come here and get some pop sockets as much you want. So I'm going to tell how to use these pop sockets. Anna, can you please show the pop socket? So we can use our mobile for making. If you sleep with me, half of the kisses for you, man. So we can use for that, and we can see mobile phone like this. See, we can put the movie and parra kila vida. You can see the movie. Like that we can see. Hey, nice movie. Like that we can see. So for watching movie and making video, we can use these pop sockets. We can use for the selfie also. Selfie kuda we can use panna. Illa selfie kuda needu vaangidum. So many best things are here, but he is refusing to show. He can't find which is the best. Everything is best in my kadai. What is this now? Strap. iPhone oda strap. So iPhone's strap is here. So different colors are here. Red, blue, green color இல்லையா? எனக்கு green color தான் பிடிக்கும். பால் பச்சை அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, varieties are here. பால் பச்சை means milk green. So orange is there, yellow is there. Full damal color தான். Especially this vanavali color. Rainbows colors also good. Hey, see da, we can buy for Bablu da. So everything is iPhone's watch strap. We can get it here. The new things, everything is a new arrival. So you can get whatever the iPhone's watch strap you can get here. Hygienic? Spygen case. AirPod case. Come on na. Excel. Okay. Na kaatra mari eduthu ulla vechiraru. He's showing is fine to showing, but he's keep that. Before and all, we used wire headset for hearing songs and watching music. Now the world is totally changed. This is called Excel, which means egg muttai. அதுக்குள்ள இருக்க ஒரு headset. This is best thing in this shop. How much na this one? 790 with guarantee, 1 year guarantee. So we can use Excel. We can use this AirPod. This is the best thing in this shop. So if you want me, just come and buy. It's not so expensive. Everyone can buy this. Variety of colors are there. Not only this is not a keychain. Same. So varieties are there. So you can see the varieties. And collections are there. So there is no place here. That's why they are keeping this only. Okay, va? There. See, so many cases are there with the different colors and creative colors. Which one? Boom headset. I brought one boom headset. It is boomed. Boomra. So I brought one boom headset last week. Not here. I brought it from somewhere. So you can buy the boom headset for using laptops and editing while editing. Now, which is the best boom headset in this shop? Motorola. How much is this? 7,000 with the box. Motorola is the most expensive boom headset here. You can buy here, but EMI is there. EMI also we can. Then which is the cheapest and best boom headset or headset, whatever? Zebronics. cheap and best. இது எவ்வளோ 350, around 350. So here multi-function tripod also here, so we can use for video taking. For you I'll just gift this, don't worry. So this is called finger saw. This is radio தானே இது? Bluetooth speaker. We can visible the mobile phone and watch like we can get wherever we want. எங்க போனாலும் phone already கூண்டு தான் போகும். சரி okay, we can take the phone wherever we want. Anything new arrival came? New arrival. Hey wow, the watch is there na smart watch adu. Can you show me that? iPhone ana? iPhone watch adu. First copy of iPhone watch. So you can buy this here. So can you show the shops once again? It's good. Okay, again I'm telling you that this is Blu-ray. Ore kuka ivada nokada penkutti. So again I'm telling you, hey here again I'm telling you, this is Blu-ray accessory shop, and whatever you want, the cases, headsets and Bluetooths and boom headsets, whatever you want, you just come and buy here with cheap and best price. And I'll suggest you I suggest this shop as a good manner, good thing. Okay, show this and all mouse, everything. Okay, everything is done right. So finally what you have to do, and vetrikarma,
hey vetrikarma is a Tamil word.
Successfully run. Successfully we have done the scratch card. Now you guys can see, whenever put the scratch card, the bubble will come, right? No, see, no bubbles come, only boomer. So now the bubble is not coming, even though we are put at that silicone cover. We have done that, and what are the vlog you guys want to do means I'll just do that. So shall we close this? Okay va. And so thanks for the wonderful support for the past videos, and again I will come with a new project to entertain you and make you laugh.
English is a very funny language. English is a very funny language. English is a very funny language. English is a very funny language.
Tomorrow காலையில coming sir photo sir tick sir நம்ம இங்கிலீஷ் எப்படி சார் இருக்கு?
Come on, man.